Hi, we are in the beautiful neighborhood of Tilal Al Ghaf. It's got a maid's room, a driver's room, and an outdoor study. Nice plot size, over 5,000 square feet. The other nice thing is there's a nice segregation between you and the neighbors. And the finishings, honestly, it's one of Hi, we are in the beautiful neighborhood of Tilal Al Ghaf, built by Majid Al Futaim, and we're here to check out a villa. One of the things that I think is pretty unique with this villa is it's got a maid's room, a driver's room, and an outdoor study. Let's start with that. So you can see here on the outside of it, there's a driver room in here. And then in the backyard, there's a study right there, which is kind of cool because you could basically use this as an office. Oh, that's interesting. They put cabinets in this one. This is interesting. It's like a outdoor kitchen space. That's interesting. I wonder why they set it up that way. But anyways, you can see nice plot size, over 5,000 square feet. I mean, even on the outside, it looks really nice. I mean, they did a good job. Some units, they've actually just left this entire area open and haven't segregated it and just made it a big study. So that could be an option too. And then when you walk in on the side, you enter into this kitchen, opens kitchen, nice view. The other nice thing is there's a nice segregation between you and the neighbors. And on this side, you got like a laundry room, a maid's room with a bathroom over there. And then here's the entrance. And there's a powder room to your left. And the finishings are really great. And then there's a guest room or a ground floor bedroom, some closet space over there. And the finishings, honestly, it's one of the best finishings I've seen in any community. And a nice open space. Look at this living space. Really nice, over 4,000 square feet, built up area, dining space, open kitchen with, this area where you can put bar stools, nice countertops. And then if we go upstairs, so this is a 4-bedroom unit. Look at that. The windows, you guys know I like windows, so that's a nice setup that they have. And then you walk upstairs and you got this nice open seating space, living space that you can use. And then a balcony, which, let's see if we can get out there. Oh, there it is. And this unit is nice because you're right next to the paddle court over there. And you don't have no construction. Everything's been built around you. So good utilization of space too. You know how the layout is. And then you got bedroom here with ensuite bathroom. You got these large windows, high ceilings. It's a really nice neighborhood. And they have a great school here, so that makes it convenient because you don't want to deal with the hassle of the drive. And then you got the master, pretty large master, bright windows. Very nice setup, honestly, with the closet space. Beautiful ensuite bathroom and a nice layout. I mean, really, you guys, whoever at Tilal Al Ghaf, with the design, you guys really did a great job. It looks good. And you got another bedroom here, ensuite. Good size, frosted window. And then that leads you to a balcony. And then again, nice segregation of space, so you still have some privacy. So tell me, what do you guys think? This is listed for $8.5 million. Do you think that's a good deal? Let me know.